All right, when I first started this video series, I warned you that some of the videos that we're going to do are going to be kind of stupid. Some of them are going to be kind of involved. This is one of the stupid ones. There's a couple of videos out there showing you how to do this already. I'm going to try and throw a little new information in there, hopefully. Yep, we're going to be changing wiper blades. So we'll start with the basic information. Your wiper blades on your Honda Element are 20 inches long. They're fairly standard. These Michelins come with some adapters. You won't need them for the Element. All right, let's get rid of the old Rain-X. It's a good wiper blade, but they're old and they're shot. And this is very simple. See this little tab? Push this in, fold your blade down a little bit, pops right off. Let's take the new Michelin blade, flip that up. But this one's got a little cover. It's prettier than the other one, right? For the installation, I'm gonna take that off, set it aside. Whoops. That little notch right there goes in this hook, right? So let's line it up and snap it in. So we slide that off. Let's set the blade back down on the windshield. Snap the little cover back on. It's a little tricky to get the little tabs to line up, but there you go. It's a little hinge, two little pins snap in there. And lock it down. Now we're going to look at the rear wiper blade. This is a 12-inch blade. Rotate it out and just grab it and pull it towards you, and bump, it pops right out. It's just a little hinge, goes in that little notch, and this other little notch is where your guide rides. Now the new blade, there is a right way and a wrong way to go in. Those two little guides ride in those two little notches, right? So you have to flip this around, put it on there, rotate it like we did when we were taking it out, snap it in, all done. All right, let's cover the third thing I want to show you. This is going to be the most important piece of information that you've ever seen about your Honda Element for some of you. This is the spray nozzle for your windshields. I got this one out of a junkyard. You see that little gasket? It's missing off of this one. My Honda is very old. It's got 250,000 miles. It's been a lot of places, and some of my old gaskets and seals have worn out. This one rotted and fell off. So now there's a little gap there. Water, when it's raining, can run in around this and drip down into the engine compartment, which is not a big deal on this side. But if it's that one over there on the passenger side of the car, that drips right straight down into the top of the VTEC. And if you have cracked insulation around your VTEC wire connections, it will short that sucker out. You'll be wondering why your check engine light's on. So let me show you how to change this out. Pull straight out on this little handle. Don't flip it up like you would on a normal car, because a Honda Element is not a normal car. Pull straight out on it, because if you keep flipping it up, it's going to break off. And if you know the Honda Element, you know that's actually a common problem. So the first thing I want to do is pop this little hose off. I don't want to break it. Be careful. To remove this, I use a long pair of crooked pliers. It's kind of what I like to use to squeeze these. So these two little tabs, you just squeeze them, push this, get out the hole, turn that, and it's gone. So there's my old one. You can see what's left of the gasket. It's rotten. It's not good. You can order those little gaskets on eBay or from the dealership, and I think they're about $10 million. Now let's go around to the other side. There's the hole. So here's the new nozzle with its new gasket, or at least decent gasket, because it's from the junkyard. It's not new. Take the hook part, point it down into the hole, rotate 90 degrees, snap it in. It's that simple. We come back around the other side. While the hose is off, I'm going to inspect it, make sure it's not cracked, split, anything like that. Looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and push this on. It just pushes on. There's no hose clamps or anything. This is so stupidly simple, anybody can do it, and it may save you a VTEC on your car. That's the only reason I'm showing you guys this.